Never before seen Jussie Smollett court files, and minutes ago they were released. A judge sealed the files back in March, but today changed his mind. CBS News' Megan Hickey is live at criminal courthouse with what she's learned. Megan.
Brad, we've been digging through that case file. It includes some memos and other records that we didn't have before. But really what's significant about this decision is that it paves the way for potentially hundreds of records and other communications surrounding this case to now be released in the near future.
Folks, this is huge news. Now, a lot of you are probably wondering, well, yeah, but this is just about opening the court records of some B-list actor, Jussie Smollett. You know, what's the big deal? We sort of already know that he's committed the fake hate crime. What's the big deal? The big deal is the cover-up. The big deal is who's behind it. And for a hint as to how high up this goes, the Obamas. Check out this excerpt from an amazing press conference yesterday from retired Judge Sheila O'Brien. And this, by the way, I'm gonna have a full a link to her full press conference in Chicago from yesterday. But just take a look. First, we're gonna take a look at this excerpt from the press conference.
Ms. Chen, I had to subpoena you because Ms. Foxx doesn't want to testify in court. Please, you too, bring your file. Come and stand here and tell the truth, whatever it is, because you, like Ms. Foxx, know the truth. You're the person who communicated with Ms. Foxx, who had text messages with her, and you know the full story. So come, bring your file, stand here and tell us the truth, whatever it is. And
Tina Tchen. She mentioned Tina Tchen. Who is Tina Tchen? And she's not just some ordinary person that's interested in this case. Oh, no. Let's take a look at this article in the Sun Times, and also about how she's playing dodgeball with the subpoena. Yeah, like what's she trying to hide there?
Okay, here I am. Chicago Sun Times, May 22nd. Here we go. Here's the woman that was referenced by Judge Sheila O'Brien. Tina Tchen, that's who she was referenced. Tina Tchen refuses subpoena about her role in Jussie Smollett case, process server says. Here we go, here it is. The former chief of staff to Michelle Obama. You got that? Chief of staff, not an ordinary lawyer out there at random. The former chief of staff to Michelle Obama evaded a subpoena Wednesday from retired Illinois appellate judge Sheila O'Brien. O'Brien wants Chen to hand over records related to her conversations with Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx, should say corrupt Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx, regarding the Empire actor. And here's a little bit of information. It says, this is actually pretty funny how she was dodging it. Chicago attorney Tina Tchen, who was in contact with Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx before the charges were dropped against former Empire actor Jussie Smollett, refused to be served with a subpoena on Wednesday. Yeah, what's she hiding? According to the process server. Chen, who previously served as former First Lady Michelle Obama's chief of staff, oh, what a coincidence, refused to accept the subpoena that was issued by former appellate judge Sheila O'Brien. O'Brien is petitioning for appointment of a special prosecutor to look into the attorney's office handling of the Smollett case. Okay, so here we see that she's playing dodgeball with the subpoena, and apparently the process. Yeah, here He says, Edward Ryan, this is kind of amusing. Edward Ryan, who operates a private investigation firm in the southwest suburbs, said one of his process servers went to Chen's law firm in River North on Wednesday, but she refused to come to the lobby to accept the subpoena. Ryan said the security guard in the building would not let the process server upstairs. The guard called Chen in her office, and she said she knew about the subpoena, but refused to come down. Yeah, what are you hiding, Miss Cover-Up? Miss Cover-Up for Michelle Obama. I don't know why she turned it down. She'll be served eventually, Ryan said. So there we have it. And let's go back and see more from the amazing and the very honest former Judge Sheila O'Brien.
Good afternoon. I'm Sheila O'Brien, and I'm the petitioner in the petition to appoint a special prosecutor in the Jussie Smollett case. Today's ruling opening the court file is a good first step, but more needs to be done. Equal justice under the law and truth and transparency are the bedrock of our democracy. The handling of the Jussie Smollett case by this state's attorney has been a disaster. And now the court file is opened, and that's a good first step. But more remains to be done, because it's not the court file that's all important. It's Ms. Foxx's file and the decision-making process into how this case was handled. So Ms. Foxx, please tell us the truth. Whatever it is, tell us the truth, the whole truth. Please, no more cover-up. Please, no more fighting in court to evade subpoenas and to disobey the law.
You want the truth? You can't handle the truth. The cover-up goes all the way up to the Obamas and most likely to Kamala Harris. That's right. That's how high up it's going to go. We already see the evidence of it.
You are our state's attorney, and we need from you an example of what equal justice under the law looks like. Why are you hiding? What are you hiding? Who are you helping? And why would you trade your reputation for Jussie Smollett? Please.
Why? What? Who? Who? The Obamas and probably Kamala Harris. That's who.
And lastly, Judge Evans, Chief Judge Evans. You are the Chief Judge. You have the power of the assignment of judges. The assignment of judges in this case has been a bit of a circus. Please ask the Supreme Court for an out-of-county judge. You've done it other times in other cases. This case is too important to the people of Cook County to have any doubt about transparency.
You got that, Chicago? Don't appoint a corrupt judge that's going to be the special prosecutor on this case. Get an outside judge. Listen to former honest Judge Sheila O'Brien. And as I said before, I'm going to have a link below to her full press conference. It's absolutely amazing. You don't want to miss it. This case is just starting. The cover-up is going to unravel, and it's going to be absolutely amazing. See you later.